these games, and it seemed I had just so much composure.
Spirit, let us hear it. When you speak, the church awakens. We believe the change is coming. Holy Spirit, let us see it. When you speak, you scatter darkness. Light arrives in heaven. Holy Spirit, when you speak, we believe the change.
And when does this thing kick in? I said, well, maybe you don't see, but and just and by the end of the year, we were playing as good as anybody. I had a tremendous amount of pride, and